Hi everyone, welcome back. If you want to book a trial lessons and apply, how can you book? So I will explain clearly today. So before you've got your tutor, you can book trial lesson from your tutor as well. So by booking a trial lesson, you can learn about your teacher teaching style. So and then you can decide you want to choose these tutors or not. So I will explain how to get a trial. So go ahead to your profiles and log into your student account and choose a language or lesson type you want to learn. If you want to learn physics, statistics, accounting, or whatever, just choose everything you love to learn. And you can also insert your price, how much money you want to use. So just insert your price per lessons, and you can also choose countries and available time and specialties, also speed, supercomputer you can choose. After choosing a tutor, if you want to find them as a if you want to book for a trial lesson, how can you do? So when you try to find a tutor here, what you need to do is you need to click book trial session. So here, just click book trial lesson and you can see which trial duration would you prefer. You can get 25 minutes and 50 minutes. So just choose one lesson that you want to, and you can insert your time as well. So these are the available trial time, and just continue. Okay, so after inserting your file easily, and now you will be able to see get ready for your first lesson. This is your times and cancel or reschedule. You can do like this. So if you want to learn for trial lesson for 50 minutes is $10, or now you just want to learn trial consultation with your teacher is only $6. So this is the processing fees and you can choose your payment method here. How do you want to pay with your card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. After inserting your payment and just book blessings and pay. So by doing that, you can get trial lesson cheaper than the accurate lesson period. So accurate cost for 50 minutes is $10, but if you want to learn trial version for 25 minutes, it's only cost $6. So you can check the teaching style of the tutor by booking trial lesson. So that's how to book trial lessons on Propline, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you're the one who want to book. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you back.